Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you how to open an account on the Azbit Exchange through the TradingFinder website. We open the review section for crypto exchanges, and after selecting the Azbit Exchange we click on Go to Website and enter the main page of the Azbit Exchange site. Enter the account opening page through the new Join option, and after completing the form, enter an email address that you have not previously used to open an account on this exchange, and a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. By clicking on these two options, you declare that you are over 80 years old and that you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to the Azbit Exchange. Click then, after that, carefully select the I am not a robot option and finally choose the Create Account option. At this stage, an email has been sent to your registered email address to activate your account on this exchange. Open the inbox of your registered email address, and as you can see, we've received the email. Click on the Confirm Your Email option. And as you can see, a message from the exchange is displayed to us indicating that our registered email address has been successfully verified and accepted by the exchange. Then we click on the Enter My Account option and proceed to the account login page. In this section, you need to enter your account login information, and after entering the details, click on the Enter Your Account option to access the main dashboard of the Azbit Exchange. Your account has been successfully created, and in future videos we will teach you how to verify your identity and upload documents on this exchange. Wishing you success and profitable trades.